Hey guys, we got ourselves a 2008 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.8 with 112, I believe. 112,749. The check engine light is on. This was referred to me from a friend. The check engine light, he's already looked at it. It's a P0032 heater circuit code, as we can see right there. This vehicle has had both front O2 sensors replaced. There it is right there. And I've already got disconnected. I wasn't going to shoot a video on this particular vehicle, but I found the problem. I just want to share what I found. It's kind of cool. So, using the Chrysler factory tool, the Y-Tech, again, we can see we have a P0032. What I want to do is I want to look at data. And I want to look at bank 1 sensor 1 pulse width heater, bank 2 sensor 1 heater. I want to see how they compare. And I want to look at heater temp. And then we're going to graph them and just take a look at it. So you see bank 1 sensor 1, which is the passenger side, that's the side I just showed you, is negative 83 degrees. So what I did was just want to obviously verify that the O2 sensor that was replaced was good. So we did an ohms check on it. Ohmed out about 11.2 ohms on the heater circuit. These two pins right here. And so the next step I wanted to do is, looking at my wiring diagram, we can see that there's our heater control and our ground, pins 1 and 2. These top 2 pins right here. I don't know if you can see that real well. This is high side driven, so the PCM applies power, pulse width modulates it to get the temp up in the heater in the O2 sensor. And so I use my test light as somewhat of a load. It only pulls about 250 milliamps. I have it in series. You can see all my wires, conglomeration here, but we were able to achieve, battery's a little low, 11.91 volts using that test light. So we know that it's capable of delivering the voltage needed. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to reconnect the O2 sensor and we're going to check for grounds. Actually, what I want to do real quick with the test light in place is I want to just see, and like I said, it's a small load on the system, but I just want to see if the computer is going to try to control it, if it sees something. So let's do this. And it did. So again, the test light, it's an incandescent bulb, so it pulls a little bit of draw, so a little bit of current can flow, but not a lot. But it tells me that the PCM is good. You know, it's trying to do, let's look at the laptop, it's trying to do something. So now we're going to go to the ground side of that circuit. I'll shut this off. I don't want to make a mistake and let the magic smoke out. Moving wires. So we're gonna try to do this one-handed here. So I had the back probe already in place. This is on the ground side of the heat control. And take our test lead. And I'm going to ground it. I'm going to give it a new ground. As you can see right there. We're going to try this again. We're going to refresh it. There we go. 100% duty cycle. That O2 sensor is working compared to the Bank 2 sensor one. So it's a ground issue. Shut this back off. Key out. We're gonna grab a mirror. I already looked at the wiring diagram previously, and all 4 sensors share the same ground, which is kind of odd. That only one O2 circuit is the issue. I don't know if you can see back there or not. But the ground is behind this shield, which is behind the cat right against the block. That's the harness right here that goes back there. Let's see if you can see anything. No, you really can't tell. Can't see anything. But we're gonna go in there, check the ground out, clean it up, replace the wire that's bad, or whatever we gotta do to get this vehicle up and running where it should be, and take care of this check engine light for this customer. Thanks guys, I appreciate everybody watching.